All right, so we're going to do a telling the time lesson for week 5 of summer school. This worksheet is in Schoology in the week 5 folder. It's also was emailed to you at the beginning of the week. So let me pull up my annotation feature. Look where this is. All right. My drawing. So Ria needs to be at work at 12:30. Which of the following clocks show 12:30? So I'm going to start with this clock over here. This is pointed at the 4. The hour hand is at the 4, so I know it's 4. The minute hand's at the 12, so it's o'clock. 4 o'clock? Is 4 o'clock what we were looking for? No, it was not. So now we're going to look at the other clock. The hour hand is between the 1 and the, or 12 and the 1, so it's 12. And the minute hand is at the 6, so it's 30. And that was the time that we're looking for. So correct clock is clock 2. Lou likes to eat lunch at 11 o'clock. Which clock shows 11 o'clock? So I'm going to look over here. My hour hand is at 11. And my minute hand is at the 12. So this one says 11 o'clock. So I don't need to look any further. This is my correct answer. For extra practice, if you want to solve for both clocks when that happens, that is okay too. It's really just whatever you're looking for out of these worksheets. Megan likes to swim after work at 7 o'clock. Which clock shows 7 o'clock? So let's go to clock 1. My hour hand is pointed at the 5. Minute hand's at the 12. So this one is 5 o'clock. Megan likes to swim at 7, so that's what I'm looking for. All right, so Megan likes to swim after work at 7 o'clock. That's the time that I'm looking at here. This hour hand says 5. So I know that this is already not going to be the clock that I'm looking for before showing all that work. I look at this clock here and it's at 7. So that's the clock that I'm looking for. That's my correct answer. 7 o'clock is when Megan likes to swim. All right, 2 more. Mary goes to baking class every day at 6:30. Which clock shows 6:30? So this first clock here, the hour hand is between the 6 and the 7, making it 6 o'clock. So you go back to that earlier hand. And then the minute hand is at the 6, so that makes it 6:30. And that is the time that I'm looking for because that's when Mary likes to go to baking class, or when they hold baking class. So that's my correct answer. And finally, Pablo walks his dog before work at 7 o'clock. Which clock shows 7 o'clock? So this one here, the hour hand is between the 12 and the 1, so I go back to that earlier time, which is the 12, and the 6 means it's 12:30, so I know this is not the correct answer. Come over here, the hour hand's at the 7, minute hand is at the 12, this is 7 o'clock. All right, sorry for that brief pause in the middle of the video. Had to answer a parent phone call, but I hope you enjoyed this video today and you were able to learn along with me.